Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing iMuto's Taurus X2 power bank. This is another one of their Taurus line. I've already reviewed the X4 and the X6L Pro. I'll have the link to the X4 up here, and I do believe that there are maybe two others that I haven't taken a look at outside of this one in the Taurus line. I'm working on purchasing those, but this is a 10,000 milliamp hour ultra compact power bank, and as the title and thumbnail suggests, this is a very, very small power bank. And maybe that's just me being used to large power banks, but this thing is small. So we'll take a look at the charge times as customary per iMuto products. Charges the iPhone 8 3.7 times, iPad Mini 4 1.4, Galaxy S8 2.4, and the LG G6 2.2. Its weight is 8.55 ounces, so it's just over half a pound. And they have a white and red and black and gold variant. This is the black and gold to kind of match the rest of the iMuto family that I have sitting off to the side over here. So we're gonna hop into the box. We get our usual thank you for purchasing card. You get a user manual. Tells you in a couple different languages. I'm gonna flip this out. This is an iMuto branded USB-A to micro B cable to charge it. Nice little rubber band. I love these. And this is a 2-foot cable. It's not the biggest, but it's also not the shortest that I've seen come across this table. Underneath, you get a very small iMuto branded sack to carry it around in. I love those. I use them all the time. And then the last thing in the box is the power bank itself. Now, prepare yourself, you can probably already tell, but this thing is small. Like, this is minuscule. But first, peeling porn. Gorgeous. So, yeah, this is the X2. This is a very small, very compact power bank. These are standard USB Type A ports, so if you know how big USB ports are, you'll get a sense of how big this power bank is. It is small. I think this... Hang on, let me go find my wallet. I think it's credit card sized. I could be wrong. Alright, I don't have a credit card, but I have a GameStop gift card. And yeah, that's small. That's just about the size of like a credit card or license or student ID or whatever you have that you put in your wallet. Take that, look at it, and you basically have the X2. It's very small. I'll put back my $1.26 gift card. So let me grab some cables and I'll plug it in and plug things into it. My handy dandy split cable. I'll plug that in. It does have the standard iMuto display, and the power button is on the side. And then to plug things into it, grab my lightning cable, slide that in. Brand new USB ports, they're a little tight. And then plug in the phone, and then that's charging. And I've got my Taurus headphones. Love these things. I use these to edit all my videos for all my channels. And we'll grab a magnetic USB cable, because that's what I use to charge this. And we'll just attach it like that. A little red light is on, so we're charging. We're charging the phone and the headphones with something that's the size of a credit card. Face area of a credit card. Obviously, credit cards are not this thick. So I'm gonna clean this up. I'm actually gonna put these over here and charge them at the side of my desk, because I think these are dead. And I gotta use them to edit this video. So I'm dropping props for this video. Nice. Good job, Jake. So this is essentially the equivalent to the Leo SL100. Just for the Taurus line, I'll leave the link to the Leo SL100 up here. You can see the difference. It's a very small power bank. It's maybe 2 times thicker, but yeah, it's a lot shorter and thinner. This way, not this way. And we're gonna do a comparison here. Here is my Taurus X6L Pro. This comes with me everywhere. I use it to charge the MacBook. This is normal for me. This is a normal size battery. I've gotten used to how this feels in my bag, in my hand, in my pocket. This is a normal battery for me. Then we have my Taurus X4, which is probably what would be normal for most of you guys, and that is slightly smaller than the X6L Pro. Now, this is where this gets funny. That's the X2. That's the X2. That's minuscule compared to the X6. So let me just stack them here, and we'll look at it like that. That's minuscule. Look at how small that is. Let's just bring the iPhone back out for comparison. That's small. So again, this is a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. You have 2 outputs, 1 input. And as far as pricing, this is $21. I'll leave this linked in the description below, as well as the X4 and the X6L Pro. If you guys want to check them out, I highly recommend iMuto. I'm not shilling. I'm not getting paid to do this. I've just been using iMuto products for almost 3 years now, and my X4, although beaten up severely, still works. So I'm pretty sure something that's smaller that you'll probably drop more often will last you forever. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. If you did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Turn on notifications with the bell icon so that way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until those next videos, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.